Last year at Christmas, I felt like such a failure. Somewhere between nonstop medical appointments, late night Amazon orders for yet more medical supplies, and family and Christmas, I felt like I was an utter failure. And a loving, gracious friend said to me, "You're not failing the holidays, you're surviving them through a medical crisis." So, caregivers out there, I just want you to know, don't make big plans to put up the Christmas garland. I certainly didn't. And we lived. Figure out what your priority is, live out those priorities, and know that it's not always going to be like this. Hang in there. You can make it through the holidays. You're doing the hard work. We've got your back. We're Healthcare Survival Kit. Thanks.